Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel name. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss a tutorial. Today, we're diving into the essential files and folders in a React project. Whether you're just getting started or need a quick refresher, this is the video for you. Let's get started. When you create a new React project, you'll notice a bunch of files and folders pop up. It might seem overwhelming at first, but don't worry, I'll break it all down for you. First up, we have the Node Modules folder. This is where all the libraries and packages that your project depends on are stored, including the React.js library itself.
If you look inside, you'll see hundreds of folders, but you generally don't need to worry about them. Just know that this is the engine that powers your React app.
If Node Modules ever goes missing, maybe you deleted it by accident or cloned the project from a repo, don't panic. You can easily restore it by running npm install in your terminal, and all the necessary files will be downloaded for you. Next is the public folder. This is where your static files live. Things like your index.html, images, and icon. The key file here is index.html, which serves as the entry point for your React application. React will inject your app into this file at runtime, specifically into the div with the ID of root. Now let's move on to the source folder. This is where all your code lives. It's the heart of your React project. You'll find files like app.js, where you define your components, and index.js, which is what we're going to talk about next. Index.js is the file that kickstarts your app. This is where React is initialized and your main component, often app.js, is rendered to the DOM. Finally, let's talk about package.json. This file is like the roadmap of your project. It lists all the dependencies your project needs, React and React DOM, and contains important scripts like start and build, which you use to run your app. It's also where you can define project metadata, like the name, version, and more.